In this world, there is what we call a superior man, and unlike your typical man, the superior man is the type of guy who has women chasing him, unlike you. A typical man is of higher status than your average man, but this was never actually his primary goal. This is actually just a side effect or ripple effect that occurs when a man does things a little bit differently than other men, and now there's no way to deny the fact that superior men have girls chasing them. It's just a result of the effort that goes into shaping and transforming yourself into a superior man. In other words, it's the fruits of your labor. Every superior man has a mission in life. And if you're not sure what that mission is it always best to start with the basics? Girls often fantasize about men who check off all of their boxes. All of the boxes, but at the end of the guys who are the most popular, they never do it for the sake of it with girls. Girls, we do it for ourselves most of the time. Men have some simple missions or purposes that could include things like increasing their income or developing other skills. Whatever it is yours. Mission or your purpose, and your purpose should come before the person you are trying to attract, because when you are on purpose, trust me when I say that there will always be girls who attempt to seduce you away from your purpose. So how does the superior man entices women to be interested? To him, the answer is simple. The most valuable currency by far for any girl on the planet is a small thing called attention, or, to put it simply, attention. A girl is like a honeycomb to a bear. Now, girls, believe it or not, are used to getting attention, and this is especially true for physically active and good-looking girls. But girls rarely get attention from the superior man, and paradoxically, this is what actually creates an enormous amount of attraction. You see, the superior man always puts his purpose before women, whether they are girls or boys who have shown interest in him, or you'll notice that the majority of men in this world are so predictable that they all do the same exact thing. Almost every guy will stare at a good-looking girl when she walks by, and most guys, sadly, we are constantly thinking about the same exact thing. Now, when it comes to girls, a man who demonstrates that his purpose or his mission is more important than giving her attention every minute of the day is the definition of a superior man, because our attention is one of the most valuable things we have on this planet. So when you focus that attention on your mission rather than the good-looking girl who just walked by, you automatically multiply by 100 more attractive than the guys who would simply drop everything if a girl asked by, distinguishing himself from the other 99 men out there. He's able to attract most girls indirectly because they simply know where he focuses his attention. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Until next time.